Okay. So everyone is having this PPT with you. Okay. We'll discuss with the very easy part, that is the probability calculation. See, binomial is all about the three concepts only. So first concept is the very simple concept, that is Bernoulli trial. Binomial distribution means what? Probability of binomial distribution is calculated with the formula. Anyone who can dictate that formula? Anyone who can dictate that formula of probability calculations by using binomial distribution? Yes. Probability of x is equal to A at point A. What is the probability? NCA P raised to power A and Q raised to power N minus A, if I am not wrong. Put a thumb in the chat box fast guys if you are remembering this formula. अभी जो है हम CET का lecture ले रहे हैं. We are dealing with the lecture of entrance examination. So we can't go in that deep concepts of the theory, but we'll just have a look out on the formulas. So it is clear. Yes, everyone is remembering. The students who are putting thumb or yes, I just having the conclusion that only that students are remembering. 4 only out of 17. It's very poor. First guys, who is not remembering, just tell me so that I can dictate the terms in the distributions. Yes, okay. Abdul Basit, what about you? Atharva, Hussein? Hussein, you are not remembering binomial distribution. You was there. It was taught before, or so long before. Obviously, Omkar, I'm not audible to you. Rihan, Ritvik, Sumit. Yes, okay. Zahid, Yash. Okay, fine. Karsh, okay. Suhana, you are remembering. That's really great. Shubham Umre, you are remembering this formula. If you attended the sessions, then you will be surely remembering this formula. Okay. So many of the students are remembering that what is the exactly formula for the binomial distribution probability. Now I just explain the terms. Fine. I just explain the terms now. P is what? Probability of success. P is what? Remember this. You have to calculate these things in a your question and then you can easily calculate. NCR. What is the formula of combinations? NCR is equal to N factorial upon R factorial into N minus R factorial. Okay. So everyone do this fast. What is the answer of 8C2? Anyone? चलो इसमें कितना टाइम लगता है देखेंगे हम. We'll see. Just put a calculation for 8C2. Guys, what is the answer of 8C2? Let me check who is having their calculation speed very fast. Oh, it's done. Fine. 8C2 guys. I'm waiting. Especially let me welcome two new students in our class. They joined our batch today onwards. So calculate it 8C2. I'm not taking any of the example. Okay. No. Answer 2 raised to power 8. No. 8C2 का calculation कौन बता रहा है? One calculation is absolutely wrong actually. It is 8 factorial upon. Okay, one calculation I have received like 28. Okay. Hussein, your answer is also same. Okay, it was 28. Okay, fine. Then it is fine. So it is 8 is reversibly 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. 6 factorial gets cancelled. 1 into 2. So 6 cancel. 2 4s and 7 4s 28 is the correct answer. Everybody is getting same as 28. The one who is not getting, they have to focus on the combinations part as well. Okay. Fine. Yes. 28 is correct answer. Out of 18 students, I just have answer from the 4 people. What about rest? You have to put a comment whether you are cleared with the combinations or not. See, if you are not cleared with the combination, we have to take one lecture based on combination only, and then we'll take next lecture on probability. आज के लेक्चर में probability पढ़ने का मीनिंग ही नहीं है अगर आपको combinations नहीं आ रहे. If you are unable to calculate combinations, then it's a very clear sense that you will be unable to calculate probability. Everyone done with this calculation? If you are done, just put message done. हर एक बच्चे के कितना मैसेज आने चाहिए? Minimum 20 message in a chat box from every student. So 20. That many count will be there in the message chat box. Okay. Put a message fast. Done. DN. Okay. This is new shortcut. Ayan. This is new shortcut. Okay. Fine. Done का भी shortcut होता है. मुझे आज ही समझ में आया. Fine. 20 message. Okay. Fine. चलो. Okay. Now. Fine. So it will be a two-way session. Now everyone will answer me. अभी सबके लिए question. I have a event in which 5 trials are taken. See, a event in which 5 trials are taken. So my probability or n is equal to exactly equal with 5. See the question pattern, okay? Probability of trial will be successful is given by 1 by 2. So probability P is equal to 1 by 2. Then what is Q? 1 minus P. So 1 minus half it is again half. Not a complicated thing. Now remember 3 things. That is exactly 3 means what? Exactly 3 पे count करना है. We have to calculate probability at exactly 3. Means what value of A we will take in a formula? 3. Cleared first point? Exactly. If there is a bit calculated for exactly 1. Okay, so you have to take A is equal to 3. Okay. Now next one, I just write down with the blue color. At most 3. Tell me which X values are expected. At most 3 means which X values are expected. At most 3 के बारे में बताओ. What is the values of A? A is taking how many values for at most condition? First guys, this is theory. We have to finish with the example as well, no? At most means you have to guess answer. Guess तो कर ही सकते हो. Guessing is very important. At most 3 means what? Okay. One guess is there. Fine. Let me have some more answers over to these questions. At most के बारे में आप क्या बताओगे? At most 3 trials means what X values are expected? There is a good strength in a class Z. At most 3 means how many values A is taking? Aniket, Atharva, Sahil, Hussein, Mayuresh. I know everyone is eligible to answer this question. Every student is eligible to answer this question. 1, 2, 3. At most means 1, 2, 3. Yes, fine. But let me correct you. 0, 1, 2, 3. Clear? So how many A values are expected in the at most condition? 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. And now remains one more condition, that is I'll write down with the fine. Very good. And last condition, इससे आगे हमें probability में जाना ही नहीं है. Last condition is at least condition. At least 3. 3 ही conditions exist होने वाली है. Exactly, at most and at least. So बताओ. Tell me. What is the A value? At least 3 condition में what is the A value? My total trials are 5. Total trials I'm writing here 5. At least 3 में क्या होना चाहिए? Yes, 3 and more than 3 is the answer. So 3, 4, 5. किसी को कुछ डाउट है वो खुद को अनम्यूट करके पूछेगा. ये जिसको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है उसको आगे का पार्ट समझ में नहीं आने वाला. Yes, fine. So at least 3 means 3 and above. At most 3 means 3 and below. Exactly 3 means exactly 3. A is equal to 3 only. And if everyone cleared with this part, then we'll proceed with the question. Guys, fast. कुछ तो भी fast reply करो. रिपीट बोलोगे, रिपीट करूंगी. ओके. Cleared. Okay, cleared, clear, done, understood. Okay, fine. Thumbs. I am receiving many symbols are there. Okay, fine. लेकिन reply तो 8 ही आए अभी तक. 8 replies are there. Fine. Zaid is okay. Abdul Basir, don't be so silent. Amit, what is your reply? Atharva, Sahil Sawan, Idris, Mayuresh. It's not theory lecture. Rihan, Siddesh, Rutvik, Soham, Suhana, Amit, Sumit, Utkarsh, Zahid, Yash. Reply fast. I know there are some network issues. You are replying in a time. Okay, Aniket, you are on laptop. You are just putting many messages for one thing. Okay. Yes. Okay, chalo, fine. Now, everyone is cleared with the probability ka theory. Theory part of probability is done. अभी अंडरस्टूड या फिर बहुत ज्यादा रिप्लाई देने वाले बच्चों के लिए ही मेरा क्वेश्चन रहेगा. आपको सबसे पहले सॉल्व करने हैं. ओके, डू इट. In a certain experiment, see MST CT 2019 question. It is 2019 question, PYQ. In a certain experiment, the probability of success of each trial is 3 by 4 times of the probability of failure. Then the probability of at least one success in the 5 trials. Have a focus on this number. At least पे focus करना है आपको. At least condition is there. Chalo, I'm just waiting for your answer because I'm expecting a correct answer from everyone. Now you have to calculate n is equal to, p is equal to, q is equal to. Okay, fine. Do it fast. How many time is required? This is a hard level question. N nikalo, p nikalo, q nikalo, and then finalize a. What a value is taking? At least one. A के बारे में तो मैं बता दूंगी. At least one means 0 is the answer. 1 के below. Okay, 0 and 1 will be the answer. Getting my point? Oh, 1 minute. At least 1 means it is taking value. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. इतना सारा निकालने से better होता है. If I could calculate, see probability of PQ is the only judgmental thing. No, if I told you PQ, then you can calculate easily. Think on PQ only. PQ is your challenge. Hussein, your challenge in this question is PQ. Probability of all x values greater than 1 will be equals with 1 minus probability of x is equal to 0. 1 minus probability of x is equal to 0 is the answer. So ये दो options eliminate हो गए. See the elimination method. So answer is either A or D. Answer is either A or D. So I just have one answer. Yes, n is 5. That is right. Fine. N is fine. Now think on P and Q. Okay, you are well going with yes, and you are on correct path, but I just expecting answer correct, very correct answer. Okay, D. Aslam, yes, let me think, let me check whether everyone is answering same or no. Put your answer direct message to me. Don't disclose your answer anywhere else. So who is trying, just raise your hand so that we'll wait for your calculations. If you are trying, then I will wait for your calculations. Just raise your hands and calculate it. No one is raising hands, so no one is trying. Everyone is dependent on my answer only. Miss, you answer. D. Okay, fine. D is the answer. One answer is received. Actually, two. Okay, fine, do it. Can anyone disclose the value of P? See, P का value correct आना is the challenge of this question. P and Q values are very correct required in this question. So it is a challenge of this question, P and Q values. Okay, Zaid, I got it. Only Zaid has raised his hand. What about Aman? Aman, you are in this lecture. You are missing CET batch. Fine, you are trying. Aman, try this question. Then Amit, Atharva, Sahil, Sawan, Idris, your answer expected. Mayuresh, Aslam, Aslam has given answer. Omkar, Rihan, Ritvik, Siddesh, Soham, Suhana, Sumit, Sumit Square, Utkarsh, Yash, and Zahid. This is my all CET batch going for engineering. Okay. So please try this question. CET अभी दूर नहीं है आपके लिए, कभी भी डिस्क्लोज हो सकता है CET का टाइम टेबल. So this is very simple chapter. Okay. So giving further time will be taking our number of sums we lesser. So we have to cover more number of questions. So I'm just answering. See the condition. Okay. See the condition. No. Probability of success means what? P value is 3/4 times of probability of failure. Means what? P is equal to 3/4 times of Q. This is my first relation. Okay. And our second relation is always P plus Q is equal to 1. Yes. So I'm putting the value 3/4 P, 3/4 Q plus Q is equal to how much? 1. Okay. So how many total Qs? 7/4 Q is equal to 1. So Q is equal to 4/7. Fine. Q is equal to 4/7 and hence P is equal to. Okay. Now I am putting in this relation. P is equal to 3/4 into 4/7. So it is getting cancelled. It is 3/7. So we got C. N is equal to 5. I am just writing given data over here. N is equal to 5. P is equal to how much? 3/7. Q is equal to how much? 4/7. And A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fine. Now I am solving with the proper formula. Okay. So if I solve with the proper formula, what is my formula? Probability of 1 to 5 will be equals with 1 minus probability of x is equal to 0 will be equals with 1 minus NC0. Yes, D is answer 5C0. P to the power of means 3/2 raised to 0, 3/7 raised to 0 and 4/7 raised to 5. So it is 1 minus 4/7 raised to 5. So it is answer. Which option is correct one? D. Clear? See the calculations. If anyone not getting calculations, please ask me in a chat box. Fast guys. See the calculations. Have a look on calculations so that we'll go for the next problem. Well cleared? If it is cleared, then we'll proceed for the next one. It's easy. Okay. जिनको ये प्रॉब्लम इजी लग रहा है उनको समझ में आना चाहिए 2019 का क्वेश्चन आपने क्लियर किया है. ओके, you have cleared 2019 CET questions. So if the same question is asked for your CET, then it will be a very beneficial for you, for those students who are thinking like it's very easy. Okay, so let's proceed over the next. Fine. If you want, you may take a snap of calculations with you for the future reference. But now I'm erasing all these things. Okay, try this one. N is equal to 5, P is equal to 1 by 3, and probability of X is between 2 and 4. So between 2 and 4, so what is X value is expected? Between 2 and 4, तो X का value तो रहेगा 3. Between 2 and 4, X A is equal to 3, N is equal to 5, P is equal to 1 by 3, so Q is equal to 2 by 3. Do this. N, C, A, P raised to power A, Q raised to power N minus A. Everything is there. Try this one. Same question you have to attempt in a stepwise manner for board's examination, nothing else. Okay. Do this, guys. Clock is ticking. All things are with you for the calculations. I'm waiting for your answer. Fine. Answer, please. Everyone put your answer. Okay. So you dictate the formula. Okay, now it's clear. Chalo, do it fast. It's requiring that much time. It's requiring that much time. Option A. Okay, fine. First answer is received, and I must appreciate our newcomer. It's correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. No, no. It's not correct answer. There is a slight change in your answer. A is not the answer. Cross check your calculations, Suhana. Please cross check your calculations. Sumit, C. Okay, fine, Sumit. Yes, your answer is correct. Sumit got correct answer. So 3, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3 or 3, 4, 3. Just check out the denominator. Check out once 2, 4, 3 आ रहा है या 3, 4, 3 आ रहा है. There are simple things. C और B में confuse नहीं होना है. If your denominator is coming 2, 4, 3, then it's B. If your denominator is coming 3, 4, 3, then it's C. And you are making mistake. Yes, finally 3, 4, 3 is the answer. No. C. Now see the shortcut. अभी सबसे पहले मैं shortcut बता देती हूँ. Fine. Should I solve? Okay. See now. 5C3. Okay. 1 by 3 raised to power A means 1 by 3 का cube upon 2 by 3 का n minus A. Okay. I will solve here 1 by 3 and 2 by 3 ka cube. So it is 5c3 1 by 3 ka cube and 2 by 3 ka square. Fine guys. See how simple it is. Forget about the calculations of 5c3 into 2 ka square will be numerator upon 3 ka fifth power. So what is the fifth power of 3? Can anyone tell me what is the fifth power of 3? 3 cube into 3 square. So 27 into 9. Okay, it is 243. So these options are cancelled. See, 2 options are eliminated. How fast you can do this one? So it is eliminated because 3 ka fifth power is 243. It is 243. Now calculate numerator only. 5c3 का आंसर क्या आता है? 5 factorial upon 3 factorial into 2 factorial. Okay. So it is 5 into 4 into 3. 3 gets cancelled. So 5 2s are 10 and 10 into 4 40. So it is B. See how fast this calculation you can do here. Getting my point. Getting my point. See why you are doing calculations wrong. Yes, B is yes. Elimination of option works in a CET. This is what I'm trying to tell you, that elimination of options. What I have done, I'm not going for the C and D options. Why? Because base is not accepted. If this is elimination of option, I just had calculations of numerator and I just got that it is total 40. So answer is B, common. Okay. So it's very easy. You are finding this calculations time consuming or very easy? Put your remark over this. A is not answer. How it is A? Aslam, how it is A? Numerator is coming 5c3 into 2 square, that is 4. This is numerator. I just put the calculations of numerator only. 5c3 into 4. So it is 5 factorial into 3 factorial into 2 factorial. See, calculation mistakes have no chance in the CET. 5 into 4 upon 1 into 2. 3 get cancelled. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So 5 2s are. This is 10. So 5c3 का आंसर गलत आ रहा है असलम. इसका मतलब यही है कि आपका 5c3 का आंसर गलत जा रहा है. So it is 40. This is the calculations of numerator. Cleared? I just had calculations of numerator separately. Everyone cleared with this concept? Last example की ओर बढ़े. Remaining questions will deal in the next lecture. But should I proceed for the last question? आज का last question आप करोगे? सब लोग? Yes. So everyone is ready to do last question. Ready to perform last question. Everyone ready? Everyone is not ready. See, I just finding many students are isolated in the lecture. And yes, I will complain to your parents regarding this. Okay. This should be a two-way interactive session because CET sessions are held for you guys only. I know how to calculate in a CET. You have to learn the things. Okay. So I will take this in a next lecture. Do it. A probability that person will develop immunity after vaccination is 0.8. एक probability दी है आपको. Okay, I'm not going to tell anything. Just meanwhile, I'll just had a talk with everyone. Probability distribution we have finished in board plus CET. Binomial distribution we are finished board plus. We are about to finish board plus CET. Clear? This is our target. In a lockdown period for which batch? 12th 2022 batch. The students in a 12th 2022 batch, we have finished with the probability board plus CET, binomial board plus CET. Okay. Which one should I take next? Logic. It is feasible for you if I take logic? You have to tell me option A, B, C, D, not the calculation part. Okay. 12th 2022 batch is clear. Now 12th 2021 batch, again I am focusing you for your dreams of boards first. बोर्ड्स के लिए आपको क्या क्या करना है, यू नो वेरी वेल. 2021 बैच, आई जस्ट इंसिस्ट यू perfect, be perfect in this chapters, logic, matrix, LPP and pair of straight line. Then लाइन एंड प्लेन आपको नहीं आ रहा, इट्स ओके. वेक्टर्स थोड़ा सा आ जाएगा, इट्स ओके. ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन, इट्स ओके. But focus on probability and binomial. These chapters are going to give you, along with the theorems, these chapters will make you to score out up to 80. Remember my words, for boards you have, your strategy is very clear. लॉजिक, मैट्रिक्स, एलपीपी, पीओएसएल, पेयर ऑफ स्ट्रेट लाइन, प्रोबेबिलिटी, बाइनोमियल में से एक भी मार्क्स मिस नहीं करना है. अलोंग विथ थियरम यू विल स्कोर 80. क्लियर? एवरीवन इज परफॉर्मिंग ऑन द सेम टास्क. Certainly after this chapters, what you will take as an average chapters, जिनका ये पार्ट क्लियर हुआ है उनके लिए मैं बता दूं, एज एन एवरेज चैप्टर यू मे कंसिडर this one, line and plane from M1 obviously, and applications of derivative, very easy chapter. Applications of derivative, this will made you score 85. okay, ये आपको 85 तक लेके जाएगा आराम से. okay, and then let's calculate about the last one pattern, that is a difficult one. okay, answer is ready. Fine, Ayan, very good. So difficult, in the difficult chapters you may consider integration as well as vectors and trigo function. These are some chapters, and definite integration obviously. Definite integration, I am putting a strategy for 12th 2021. आपको खुद के टारगेट से हटना नहीं है. मैथ्स में मुझे सारे बच्चों का स्कोर अबाउ 90 चाहिए. दिस विल गिव यू अबाउ 90. क्लियर? ओके, सब लोग क्वेश्चन बैंक सॉल्व कर रहे होंगे होपफुली. हाँ, सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दिस क्वेश्चन, पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ पी? What is the value of P? Guys, put a message. What is the value of P? P is equal to 0.8, obviously. So Q is equal to 0.2. Okay. Then what is the value of N? How many persons are given this vaccination? If 8 people are given, so N is equal to 8. And what is all will develop immunity? So A is equal to 8. Okay. Tell me cash shortcut NCN का answer. What is the answer of NCN? 1. Okay. So what is the answer of 8C8? It is equal with 1. Okay. P raised to power 8 will be the answer. P raised to power 8 will be the answer. Q raised to power 0. So P raised to power 8 का answer हमारे पास है B option, 0.8 raised to 8. So B option is correct. How many of you got correct B option? See, MST CET 2017 question. How many of you got the correct B answer? This is 1. If anyone is facing calculations, that's right. Iska answer 1. Iska? Yes, that's great. Iska bhi answer 1. Iska bhi answer 1. So only P raised to power 8 will be your answer. That is a B option. Okay. So let me take a moment to appreciate. Okay, only 2 students. What about rest? बाकी के बच्चे मेरा सुन रहे थे क्या? मेरा प्रवचन खत्म नहीं होता. The oldest students knows very well. I am not like this. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Clear? Clear. So let me take the moment to appreciate every one of you for this attendance. I know there are bad climatic conditions, even network issues, even the many things. You may not attend the lectures, but still you are in the lecture, and it's actively supported lecture from 2 ends. So we'll take next questions, and tomorrow the last, whenever it is, we'll take a last session of binomial. Okay. Thank you guys. Tomorrow onwards, your biology and chemistry schedule will be started. Today is the last day of physics and mathematics. Tomorrow onwards, there will be a lectures of chemistry and biology. Okay. Have a good day. Thank you. Stay safe. Stay home. Okay. If anyone is having any doubt, they may raise their doubt. किसी को कुछ डाउट है छोटा सा भी जो मुझसे बात करना चाह रहे हो, आप इस मीटिंग में बोल सकते हो. नो. ओके. थैंक यू सो मच.